Today's topic is getting the direction of places in a map using a compass. Let us remind ourselves, how does a compass look like? A compass, the first part of a compass is the 4 cardinal points. 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 Never eat sukuma wiki. This is north. This is east. This is south. And of course, this is west. The 4 points, north, east, south, and west, are known as cardinal points. In between the cardinal points, we have some more compass points. We have some more compass points. This is something that we have learned in previous classes. It's not something new. Between the cardinal points, we have some more points. Between north and east, we have north-east, abbreviated as N and E. Between south and east, we have south-east, abbreviated as S and E. Between south and west, we have southwest. And of course, between north and west, we have northwest. Northwest. So this compass is what we shall be using to get the direction of places. To get the direction of places in a map. To get the direction of places in a map. For instance, for example, this is our map. For instance, this is our map. This is our map. That is an example of our map. And we have a quarry, the symbol of a quarry there, the symbol of a quarry there, and the symbol of a chief camp down here. Chief camp. A quarry and a chief camp. A quarry and a chief camp. And you want to get the direction. For instance, the question is, what is the direction? What is the direction of the chief camp, chief camp from the quarry, What is the direction of the chief camp from the quarry? So the very first thing to note is, where are you and where are you going? According to this statement, you are at the quarry. You are at the quarry. And you want to get yourself into a chief's camp. You are at the quarry. From the quarry, meaning you are here and you want to come here to the chief camp. So at that point, you are supposed to draw your compass from where you are. And you are at the quarry. You are at the quarry, from the quarry. Then you draw your compass like that and indicate that is north, east, south, west. Never eat sukuma wiki. That's where we are. Where are we heading? We want the direction to get where? To the chief camp. and this is how our movement will be. And our movement and our direction, we shall use direction southeast, because our direction is between south and east. We are not heading to the east, we are not heading to the south, we are heading to southeast. So the direction to the chief camp is southeast. Just to give another example, maybe you want to get to another place, you want to get yourself from the mosque to the church, from the mosque to the church. Another example. What is the direction? What is the direction of the mosque? What is the direction of the mosque from the church? Where are we? Where are you? Or where are we? We are at the church. From the church. From the church. You can even underline from the word from. From the church, we are heading to the mosque. From the church to the mosque. So we are supposed to draw our compass from where we are. And according to this statement, we are at the church. From the church. This is where we are coming from. Never eat sukuma wiki. Coming from the church, we draw the compass at the church. Then we get to see what will be our direction. We are heading this way, we are going to the mosque. So our direction will be southwest. We are not heading south, we are not heading west, we are heading southwest. It's between south and west. Our direction is southwest. Our direction is southwest. Now, maybe to give another example, of course, maybe you are getting from the cattle dip. You have the cattle dip somewhere there. Cattle dip, and you are heading to the school. You are heading to the school. And your question is, what is the direction? What is the direction of the school? Of the school. This is the symbol of the school as we learned in our last session. What the direction of the school from the cattle dip. 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 I prefer when you underline from the word from the cattle dip. Why are you underlining from the word from? This is because that is where you are, from the cattle dip. That's where you are starting your journey, from the cattle dip. So if I'm at the cattle dip, that is where I need to take my direction. That is where I need to draw my compass. Never eat sukuma wiki. North, east, south, and west. To which direction will I move to get to the school? I'll head eastern direction.